amidst the fight of COVID-19 virus pandemic. That you already suffered more than 3 days. This is my real experience. What you need to do is to 1. Clean with your throat with any mouthwash or antiseptic oral solution. That available in drugstore or department store. Direction: 1. Gargle for 20 milliliters at 30 seconds in the morning and in the evening before bedtime. 2. Do not wash your mouth with water for 20 minutes. And do not swallow your saliva. 3. After 20 minutes gargle with pure water 5 times. 2. Clean 3 pieces large oregano leaves. Or 5 pieces regular oregano leaves. Put in cup, pour with hot water, cover the cup. Let the oregano leaves for 5 minutes if the water is very hot. After 5 minutes take the leaves out the cup and let it cool. Squeeze the leaves and drink the water from the leaves. And drink 2 glasses of pure water. Do this 3 times a day. Based on my experience, after doing this process, I was cured after 2 days. What is in oregano leaves? Health benefits of oregano. Smile fresh oregano is a great antibacterial agent. It has phytonutrients, thymol and carvacrol, which fight infections such as staph. Scissor. It's loaded with antioxidants that help prevent cell damage, and it's an excellent source of fiber, vitamin K, manganese, iron, vitamin E, tryptophan and calcium. Flushed, rich in antioxidants that may help fight bacteria. Expressionless oregano contains certain compounds that have potent antibacterial properties. Winking face could have anti-cancer properties. Oregano is high in antioxidants. Thinking face may help reduce viral infection. Scissor could decrease inflammation. Cool oregano has a vitamin K. Vitamin K refers to a group of fat-soluble vitamins that play a role in blood clotting, bone metabolism, and regulating blood calcium levels. The body needs vitamin K to produce prothrombin, a protein and clotting factor that is important in blood clotting and bone metabolism. Red heart oregano has a long history of safe use in foods and food products. Most people won't experience side effects from consuming oregano. What does manganese do for the body? Scissor. It plays a role in the metabolism of nutrients. It helps with protein and amino acid digestion and utilization, as well as the metabolism of cholesterol and carbohydrates. 25. Manganese helps your body utilize a number of vitamins, such as choline, thiamine, and vitamins C and E, and ensures proper liver function. Oregano leaves can be 1. Make as tea. 2. Make as an oil. 3. As in spicy, dry leaves. Conclusions. Today we are facing the vulnerability of world economic crisis and tension of being infected by COVID-19. The large demand and supply of cough and any medical drugs. Herbs today plays a very significant roles to social life. This herbs is easy to plants in the pots in our backyard. This plants is easy to grow. With regard to its side effects, there is no side effects, but in taking any food, we must have take it in moderation. I want to share this information to anyone around the world. A simple information has a great impact to one's life.
Interesting to this video and want more updates, click the subscribe button below and the notification bell to be notified for new health content, future videos every day. Be Healthy Everyday channel wish you more healthful life every day. Thanks for watching.